Hello, SEO enthusiasts. Welcome back to SEOCurrent YouTube channel, where we unravel the mysteries of SEO. Today, we'll guide you through fixing the page with redirect issue in Google Search Console. Redirects can impact your site's performance, but fear not. Let's dive into the solutions to ensure your website is on the right track. In the vast landscape of digital marketing, addressing Google Search Console's page with redirect issue is crucial. Redirects play a significant role, but when mismanaged, they can hinder your site's visibility. Stick around as we demystify the problem and offer effective solutions. Understanding the issue. First things first, let's understand the page with redirect problem. Google Search Console flags pages that use redirects excessively or incorrectly. This can lead to poor user experience, affecting your site's ranking. So, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. Identify redirects. The initial step is to identify the redirects causing the issue. Utilize tools like Google Search Console, Screaming Frog, or other SEO auditing tools to pinpoint the problematic redirects. This insight will pave the way for a targeted and effective solution. Analyzing redirect types. Not all redirects are created equal. Ensure you're using 301 redirects for permanent moves and 302 redirects for temporary changes. Misusing these can confuse search engines and lead to page with redirect notifications. Let's make sure your redirects are sending the right signals. Reducing redirect chains. Redirect chains occur when one redirect leads to another, creating a domino effect. This not only slows down page loading but also confuses search engines. We'll guide you through cleaning up these chains, streamlining the user experience, and improving your SEO. Updating internal links. Internal links are the backbone of your website's structure. Outdated or broken internal links can trigger page with redirect issues. We'll show you how to audit and update your internal links to maintain a seamless navigation experience. Monitoring page speed. Page speed is a critical factor in user satisfaction and search engine rankings. Excessive redirects can contribute to slow loading times. Learn how to optimize your site's performance by keeping an eye on page speed metrics and ensuring a smooth user journey. Testing and validating changes. Before implementing changes, it's crucial to test and validate them. We'll guide you through the process of testing redirects and ensuring they function as intended. This step is essential to avoid unintended consequences and maintain a healthy website. As we wrap up, remember that addressing the page with redirect issue is not just about complying with Google's guidelines. It's about creating a better user experience and improving your site's overall performance. Stay vigilant, implement these solutions, and watch your SEO soar. Thank you for joining us at SEOCurrent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more SEO tips and tricks, stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy optimizing!